So for our senior capstone project at Virginia Tech, we're out here at Mill Mountain Park surveying for Dixie Caverns salamanders. Now this salamander is really exciting because they're actually only found in Roanoke County, Virginia, which makes them a really special and rare species. We're doing this project to hopefully provide Mill Mountain Park with information to help them manage the salamander for future years in case this actually ends up being a listed or endangered species. Salamanders actually breathe through their skin, so it's really important for them to stay moist throughout the day. Now, one way they do this is actually hiding under cover objects during the day. So right here we have a log, and I'm not gonna lie, we've already flipped this log, so we know it's under it. But I'm gonna flip it right here, and we can see right under it is an adult Dixie Cavern salamander.
Here you can see a much better image of a Dixie Cavern salamander. As you can see, despite being small and living underground most of its life, they're actually a really beautiful animal. Like many species of salamanders, the Dixie Cavern salamander actually has a variety of colors. This individual is what we call a gold morph. We call it that because, well, they're covered in gold flecking. Individuals like this also sometimes have red spots running down their back, which is actually unique to this species. Another color of the Dixie Cavern salamander is what we call the starry night morph. These salamanders only have white flecking on their back and kind of look like a night sky full of stars. The Dixie Cavern salamander is rare and only found around Roanoke. However, there are a few other types of more common salamanders that you may see around here as well. This is an eastern red-backed salamander. They are probably the most abundant salamander in all of the Appalachian Mountains and can be identified by that bright red and orange stripe running down their back. Another common salamander in the Roanoke area is the slimy salamander. Now these salamanders look similar to the Dixie Cavern salamander, but are actually about twice their size, reaching almost 6 to 7 inches. These salamanders have large white spots, while the Dixie Cavern salamanders tend to have more silvery or gold spots. So why do we care about Dixie Cavern salamanders so much? The biggest reason is that this species is unique to the Roanoke area. However, these salamanders also serve as an indicator species. An indicator species is an animal that helps signify if a habitat is healthy or not. Because Dixie Cavern salamanders breathe through their skin, they're very sensitive to change in water quality and pollution. Therefore, areas with lots of Dixie Cavern salamanders are likely to be very healthy. We hope you enjoyed this video, and we would like to give a special thanks to Roanoke Parks and Recreation, the Mill Mountain Zoo, and the Virginia Tech Department of Fish and Wildlife Conservation for helping support this project.